Hello, and today I'm gonna open this Yu-Gi-Oh! X Hello Kitty and Friends box. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box right now, and it says it's a Happy Meal collab. Okay, this is requested by a YouTuber, and as you can see, the title is gonna have that YouTuber name. So yeah, let's open this box. Okay, open that side first. This side. Oh wait, and also guys, if you haven't bought a Happy Meal, just scan this to play the game. Here. Okay, that's perfect. Now, inside this box, wait a minute. Wait, this is secret. Okay. Now inside this box, it's a pom-pom Purin Happy Meal toy. I'm gonna open this. Remember, it's Yu-Gi-Oh! And there's a collab with Hello Kitty and Friends. So I'm gonna open this pom-pom Purin. Let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna scream. It's so cute! He's so cute. He's damn cute. Bro. So, yeah, this is beautiful. Here. Doesn't really squish that much, but. Wait a minute. Guys, I have no idea where the McDonald's sign go, but. Yeah, but the McDonald's sign is gone. It just disappeared. Oh. So. Wait, what happened? Yeah, but whatever. Well, guys, this is requested by a YouTuber, remember? And, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Have a great day!